Nah. Hi you guys, it's me, Jen. Please don't judge me. My hair looks like poo. I haven't done my roots in forever, and I'm really noticing it's getting kind of, as my daughter-in-law would say, ashy. It's getting ashy. I think I need to do something with it. Maybe I will. It's like too flat and it's getting, I don't have a lot of gray. This is my natural roots, so I don't have a lot of gray for my age, which is good, but it's looking kind of cruddy, isn't it, to say it nicely? Anyway, don't judge me, please. But thank you for joining me today. I'm going to show you what it looks like to have a real diamond French tip manicure. And I don't know if you're a hollow lover above diamond lover. I mean, they're two separate things. Hollow is fake. Well, let me take it back. Fake diamonds. But it's real hollow. But would you choose a fake diamond, like a hollow diamond, instead of a real diamond? I don't know. That's a hard decision, because if you're going to like an extravagant gala, I mean, like if you were invited to the White House to have dinner with Trump, uh-oh, I shouldn't have said that. But if you were going to an event like that, would you wear hollow diamonds or would you wear real diamonds? Well, by the time you're done with this mani I'm going to show you is going to be about $300 manicure with about 15 to 20 little 0.9 millimeter to 0.9 millimeter to 1 millimeter little point diamonds. I'm not quite sure still what a point means, but there's 1,000 of them. And all of them together has a retail value of about $1,200. I've had these in this bag for like probably 2 to 3 years, and I've been thinking, what am I going to do with these? Eventually I got to do something with them. And I've often thought, well, maybe I'll do a giveaway, like put them in a nail polish bottle, make them like a real diamond top coat, or maybe like put it up for bid, maybe just sell it outright, or if I can get a lot of subbies, maybe I'll do a giveaway. How's that sound? Maybe if I could hit 10,000, I might just give them away. Okay, you guys, we're gonna get started. I thought appropriately for diamonds, we need some black velvet, but my black velvet was pretty wrinkly, so I decided to try to iron it at first. So as you can see, I've already got my nails prepped with my base coat, Bring It On base coat, and this is real diamond crystals. I don't know if you're familiar with my diamond polishes, Once Upon a Diamond, that I had made, but these are the actual crystals that I have used. Now I'm going to just go over my tips, like for a French tip manicure, with my G-Force X tacky base coat. And while you weren't looking, I kind of snuck off to the side and dipped my other finger into the diamond crystals, and I just start patting them on. And they are very, very sparkly. Of course, they're not going to look like hollow because these are diamonds. These are the real deal, you guys. Aren't they awesome? So I went ahead and I just did all my tips, and I thought, well, I want to get them a little more blingy. So I actually have these real cut little 1-point diamonds, and they are just incredible. When the light hits them, they're blingy like any other diamond that you see. But I've had these for quite a while, and I thought they're just so luxurious. I needed to figure out something to do with them. So I decided to put them on my nail tips. And so one by one, I'm going to put these on, maybe like 15 to 20 on each nail tip. So by the time you're done, be a very, very expensive, luxurious manicure. They are so tiny though, it looked like they were just going to pop right through those holes there of the fabric. And this is the first time I've ever used the crystal katana. So I hope I do okay with this. And as you can see, I was having some trouble. I don't know how the heck to get these things to pick up. I'm like, what am I going to do? Oh, well, okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply some of my Marvel top coat to stick them on. And that one went on okay. I had trouble, so, oh, ooh, look, I'm a nail tech. Let me work on you. So, sorry, I kind of did my tongue thing to get these things to stick on. But look at how blingy they are. Aren't they amazing? Oh my god. Okay, so I need to add a couple more just to give it a finished look, and I'm going to speed up the process here so you guys don't get bored while I finish all my nails. And just look at that beautiful, beautiful, luxurious look. Oh, these were like the most expensive looking manicure that I could even think of. I actually did feel like Cinderella by the time I was done. I wanted to, as you can see here, I wanted to go ahead and see if I took it further and put a little bit of the diamond crystals on my nail beds. And I kind of did like that look where it kind of just, you know, going back, I think I should have just sprinkled them on instead of putting them on with my finger because they kind of globbed together. But the finished look was still beautiful, as you can see here in the next shot. Oh my goodness, you guys. Look how lacy. It almost looks like diamond lace. Isn't it beautiful? What do you think? I just said what Christine said.
Christine, we're good buds, aren't we? But you zombies are gonna get me.
I can't say exactly what Christine says. They're gonna think I'm copying her. Okay, let me rephrase this. What you think? That kind of sounds weird. How about, what's your opinion? How about, what's the consensus? So what you think? Okay. You guys tell me what you would do with all these diamonds. They're just sitting around in the little Ziploc little baggie, all wrapped up, and I don't know what to do with them. Piece of hair. Bugging me. I can't stand it. Thank you so much for always watching my videos. I hope you're enjoying them. If you haven't already hit the subscribe button, please hit subscribe. If you haven't hit the bell for notifications, please hit the bell. Please leave a comment, what should I do with all these diamonds? I mean, they're just going to waste sitting here doing nothing. I promise I am trying my best to do a video, at least one, possibly two each week, but I may have to cut them down and not do too much editing. Maybe like 2 to 4 minute vids, real quickies, just to kind of stay in touch with you guys. I love being in touch with you. I appreciate you so much, and all the support you've given my brand, and I really love you guys being a part of the Superchic family. Yes, it's Superchic. I know it's super chic the way it's spelled, but I meant it to be more of Superchic, like the chic chick, Superchic. Thank you guys again. I'll see you, if I don't see you this week, later, I'll see you next week. Hopefully. Okay? See you. Talk to you later. Bye.